Here's another video on those corporate truths that are important to help you navigate your career. No one talks about them in the open, but that's the harsh reality that every professional needs to hear. I'm not here to be cynical, to spread fear. I'm just telling you those tips which someone should have told me earlier in my career, wherein the trajectory would have been very different. If you understand how the system works, you're going to be not be blindsided, but start moving ahead with purpose. Information today is not just about power, it's about protection. So let's get into it. The first truth is that corporate meetings are often useless. They're about optics, not outcomes. Learn to see the difference and skip what doesn't move the needle. Not every meeting is there to give an outcome. People are there just to prove a point that they are here to add value. The second truth is that your ideas aren't safe. It's important that you document them on email. And if someone tries to steal your ideas, steal the credit for the same, call them out in the public so that this entire ecosystem knows that they cannot take you lightly. The third truth is that your salary is not necessarily about what you deserve, it's about what you negotiate. It's about how opportunistic you can be, how you can create FOMO in the mind of the recruiter. Don't expect the world to be very fair. The HR's KRA is actually to suppress your salary and optimize. So it's incumbent upon you that you ask what you want. Prove that you deserve it. Yes, maybe someone else is offering me even a better salary. And then earn what you really want. The fourth truth is that networking today is not a choice. It's not just one of those dozen social skills that are good to have. It's a must have skill. It's survival at play. Resumes will not move as fast as relationships, and therefore build them. Even if they are superficial, they are just opportunistic in nature. Do that. It's an art, it's a science. It's absolutely essential that you master this. Number five, your career is your responsibility, not that of your boss, not that of your HR, because they are there to build their careers. For them, you are just one resource. Own your career, take charge, and plan how your skills are going to help you in your next job, in your entrepreneurial journey. And that responsibility lies with you, not with someone else. Otherwise, you're going to get left behind. The sixth truth is that there is no perfect workplace. We all keep cribbing that the place that I work has got so many cons. Every workplace will have its own set of cons. Somewhere the boss might not be good, somewhere the increments are not good, somewhere the colleagues are not good. Outweigh the pros and the cons and survive and stay where the pros are more than the cons. But to expect a perfect workplace, that's just a mirage. And these six truths that I have just demonstrated, the objective is not to make you cynical. Just be prepared and understand how things really work. It's not always necessary that you play dirty. You just got to play smarter and ensure that you're able to encash your talent strategically in this corporate affairs. And if you want a detailed one-to-one discussion, book a mentoring session. The link is in the description below. Thank you.